Welcome to Aura. Thank you for inviting us into your space. In the next few moments, we'll guide you through a simple and seamless setup. Inside your box, you'll find your user manual, a remote control with accessories, a power cable and USB wall adapter, and your Aura diffuser. Begin by placing your diffuser in the space you'd like to elevate. Connect the power cable to the USB port located on the back of the unit. Then plug the adapter into a nearby outlet. Now, let's prepare your fragrance. Gently lift the top of the diffuser and place the diffuser head upside down on a flat surface. Remove the cap and protective seal from your fragrance bottle. Carefully twist the bottle into the diffuser head until secure. Return the diffuser head to the base, aligning the arrows at the back for a precise fit. Take your remote control and remove the small plastic tab from the battery compartment to activate it. Press the power button. Your remote control allows you to tailor the intensity and schedule of your fragrance, giving you full control over the atmosphere you create. Welcome to your Aura diffuser.